Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You need to act now. First, confirm signal strength and enable Wi-Fi calling when cellular is weak, because Wi-Fi often routes clearer audio. Once done, update the Samsung system and carrier settings to get codec and bug fixes. These matter. Next, reduce background apps and enable Do Not Disturb for active calls so CPU and network prioritize voice. Make sure to restart the phone after updates so changes take effect, and you don't waste time troubleshooting transient issues. Now focus on the core. Enable VO LTE and high-quality codecs in settings when available, because they reduce compression and improve clarity. Once enabled, test audio paths. Compare wired headset, Bluetooth, and speakerphone to pinpoint hardware issues. Also change network mode to LTE only to avoid handover jitter, and reset network settings if you see persistent packet loss or dropped calls. Make sure to test with another SIM or another phone on the same network to determine whether the issue is device or carrier. Finish by calibrating and verifying hardware. Clean microphone and speaker ports, run a voice recorder test, and try adjusting mic gain with a trusted app if available. Once done, use call quality or diagnostic apps to log jitter, packet loss, and MOS so you understand the problem quantitatively. If problems persist after all tweaks, perform a backup and factory reset. If the issue remains, contact your carrier with logs or Samsung support, because persistent degradation often signals carrier provisioning or failing hardware.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.